Bolida and Rotex Machinery was established in 2013 and is headquartered in Jinan City, Shandong Province, China. After 10 years of development and growth, it has developed into a group company and is a leading manufacturer of system solutions from standalone to turnkey systems. We have always believed that improving product quality is always a top priority. Every year, we will devote 20 to 20% of its sales to research and development, making it possible to expand product capacity and improve technology. Today, Sherry will show you around our machine shop to show the machine details. Our two factories both have large CNC gantry lathes. The Gantry Machining Center is one of CNC machine tools with the highest output and the most widely used in the world. The Gantry Machining Center has a high precision and stable quality. The machining dimensional accuracy is between 0.005 and 0.01 mm, which is not affected by the complexity of the parts. Since most operations are automated by machines, human error is limited and the consistency of bunch part dimensions is improved. At the same time, a precision detection device is used on the precision control machine too, which further improves the precision of a CNC machine. This is the automatic welding robots, which can release welding materials according to the specifications of the welding seam, which solves the phenomenon of welding material waste and realizes the operation of multiple machines by one person, reducing labor costs. This is large-scale CNC gun drill. We use a 4-axis dual-station deep hole drilling machine, and various ring dies of different specifications can be programmed to automatically complete the entire drilling process. Hole spacing and line spacing can be calculated by CNC system programming. Features as below. 1. CNC system adopts the Siemens control system. 2. Workpiece clamping can be 3-jaw or 4-jaw chuck. 3. Contains high-pressure cooling and filtering system. 4. High-precision indexing table. The produced processing holes have a high smoothness and scale small, high precision and high efficiency. For the CNC Machining Center, it has high precision, large output, value processing ability, and testing ability, which fully guarantees the product quality. We are deeply focused on the biomass industry, including the main products wood chipper, hammer mill, dryer, wood pellet machine, cooler, and packing machine. If you are interested in our machine, please connect with us.